If you want to organize your Todoist project better, one of the easiest things you can do is add sections. Sections help you break a long task list into smaller, more manageable parts, so your project feels cleaner, easier to follow, and much more productive to work in. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a section in Todoist step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to structure your projects in a much more organized way. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Todoist tips and productivity tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Todoist and go to the project where you want to add a section. This could be a personal project, a work project, or any list that's getting a little too long and needs better organization. Once you're inside the project, take a look at your task list. To add a section, you need to hover your mouse in the space below your last task or between two existing tasks. As soon as you do that, Todoist will show you an Add Section button. This is the option you're looking for, and it appears right in the area where you want the new section to go. Now click the Add Section button. A box will appear so you can type the name of your new section. Choose a name that makes sense for how you want to organize your project. For example, you might use names like Planning, In Progress, Completed, Ideas, or anything else that fits your workflow. Once you've typed your section name, press Enter on your keyboard or click Add Section to confirm it, and that's it. Your new section will now appear inside the project, ready for you to start moving tasks into it or adding new ones underneath it. Using sections in Todoist is a simple but powerful way to keep your projects tidy and easier to manage, especially when you have a lot of tasks in one place. It can help you stay focused, track progress more clearly, and make sure nothing gets lost in a crowded list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Todoist how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.